Lima's Varsitor has 5 different parts. Once you switch on the machine, you can get a LCD display, and the window has a touch screen facility. You can increase the speed from 250 rotation per minute to 2000 rotation per minute. You can increase or decrease the speed like this. It has a clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. You can just press the button over here. So if you want to change the direction of the modulation, you can just press the button here. Now also there are some safety features. There is a temperature overload control. The moment the system inside the body, the temperature reaches 75 degrees centigrade, system automatically cuts off the procedure for the safety of the patient as well as for the safety of doctors. Same way, due to any reason, if the load touches this reading, the system automatically cuts off. Now let us see how we assemble the product. It's very simple. It's a ready to use machine for laparoscopic surgeries. The rotor cable has 2 ends. This end will go to the machine and this end will go to the handpiece. You can just connect the rotor cable to the machine this way. Just push it inside so that you will get a click sound. Okay, and this end will go to the handpiece. The properties of this handpiece is just 163 gram only weight. So light so that any doctor can hold it for a long time. Even though you don't require to hold it for a long time, it's so light to operate. Okay, and there are 4 different modes in this handpiece. Whenever you are not using the blade, just put in the off mode. When you want to make longer strips of tissue strips, you put in the cut mode. Whenever you again do not want to do the modulation during the surgery, just put in the off mode. And if there are tough tissues, hard tissues, you just put in the cut plus mode. Also you can see at the tip of the blade there is something like a core guard. Because you have a core guard, the blade will not go like this. The blade will be always going like this, and doctor will be always able to see the tip of the blade so that it will be safe for the patient. Now the rotor cable and the handpiece are connected this way. Just bring it together, push it and you get a click sound. And the moment you want to take it out, just press the button here and pull it down. Now this is the obturator. So while inserting the blade to the patient body, just place the obturator first, keep a finger here to push it and insert into the patient's abdomen, so that the tip is blunt, so that it will not cause any tissue damage. Once the handpiece is inserted into the patient body, you can remove this, keep the blade in the off position. You can use a long 10 mm tenaculum, insert again the tenaculum to the handpiece, hold the tissue using the tenaculum. You can grasp the tissue and as you modulate you can pull the tissue like this. Lima's Varsitor is operated through foot, so the connections are again very simple. You can just assemble the foot pedal at the back of the machine. Whenever you are not modulating, you can just take the foot pedal switch off.